Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man, and it is time to make some soap again. So I told you wrong last week. I said I was going to start using my slab mold, which really is my primary mold, but I changed my mind. There were a couple of soaps that I wanted to revisit and repeat. This is one I did earlier this year in 2021, and it was inspired by some bath towels that I forgot I had. They were my grandmother's, then my parents', and then my wife's and mine. And the towels, I believe, are older than me. And I found one that I kind of forgot I had. And the two colors in it are kind of an olive green and a royal blue. So for the royal green, I used Nurture Soap's Cabin Fever. And for the royal blue, I used Brambleberry's Ultramarine Blue. Most companies have ultramarines. And I fragranced this with Nurture Soap's Star Shower. So I'm going to be doing that again. The main body of the soap just has those two primary colors, equal amounts of the olive green and the royal blue. And then I did a drop swirl and a hanger tool in it. And then I did pretty much the same thing for the frosting. So let's just get started. We'll get right into this. If I remember, I'll try to put a link to that former video because I actually showed the towel that inspired it. So let's just get started here. This should be a very easy soap. I'm soaping at about 91, 92 degrees Fahrenheit, which is okay because this fragrance behaves exceptionally well and I want it to thicken up some, so it's alright. And a very basic emulsification has been achieved. So I'm going to pour off the first container from the soap frosting and set it aside. The remaining will be the two colors in the soap. And we will scrape this remaining batter out because I'm finished with this pot. To work on constructing our main soap first. Very nice. I love this. Now this is one of those that turns a little on the funky, sort of olive brownish green when it mixes with lye, but this will actually change back to a more, actually a nicer color. Really, sort of olive is what I want, which is what greens often do, but this is as close as I could come to olive green. And then my ultramarine blue is mixed in oil because the ultramarines and oxides do have a tendency to clump, and I don't want clumps. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. So I know this fragrance behaves really, really well, so I'm going to go ahead and put about a third, and save a third for the frosting, because I know how very well this fragrance behaves. And mix this up. Lightest to darkest, of course. And as usual, this is too thin, so I am going to shut us down, and I'll be back in just a minute or two when this thickens up just a little bit. See? And I may have waited just a little too long, but I'm going to put a hanger in this, so it won't really matter. But I am going to pour this quickly. I'm really surprised at how quickly that's set up, and I did stick blend pretty hard, especially for me. I don't normally stick blend quite that much with the fragrance. Okay, and get our hanger in. And there we go. So I will be back in just a couple of minutes when I get the soap frosting mixed up. Okay, I think we're ready to pipe. I'm probably going to get a lot more blue at first. I tried to get this into the bag evenly, but I think I got more blue at the top, at the tip of the frosting bag. We'll see. Alright, we're back to cut our soap. Before I get started, real quick, Lisa, if you're watching this, email me or something. I don't have your email. My friend Lisa has sent me a bunch of stuff over the years because she knows this is a mission. I'm not selling the soaps and she likes to help out. Lisa, I got a package yesterday. Wasn't expecting. What a surprise, but I don't have your email. The one I sent bounced back. She sent me pictures, molds, spatulas. I got a ton of Mad Micah's colorants over here. I mean, oils. Just, Lisa, thank you so much. But I don't have your email. So anyway, let's get started now. Thanks again, Lisa. I really appreciate that. Here's the main reason we're here. And I am pretty daggone happy with the way this turned out. So let's see what it looks like on the inside. Just what I planned, just like the last time. Doesn't show up as much. I did a mica line like on top of these bottom dollops, and you can sort of see the mica. There you can see it a little bit better. That's what I was trying to get through, was to have some of the mica lines on those dollops. Because, you know, I had to bougie this up for this bougie fancy soap. But yeah, I do like the way this looks. Really happy with this. And I'm debating whether or not to do another repeat of one this weekend or to do a new one. It's going to be my tall skinny mold with some piping on top. Still debating whether to do a new one or revisit one, but I definitely wanted to do this one again. You all, thanks for watching. Thanks for being so supportive. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you this weekend for some more soap. Bye.